My humble pranams and welcome to all my dear friends and dear masters. Today is day 3 of the Crop Circle Healing Energies workshop. Master Sri Devi from Andhra Pradesh has been with us for the past 2 days explaining to us the healing energies of crop circles, and Master Kumari from USA has been doing live English translation for us. On day 1, Madam Sridevi was explaining to us how crop circles are getting formed, in which regions they are getting formed, and since when they started getting formed. So, for those of you who might just be joining, let me just quickly give a bird's eye view of the sharings by Master Sridevi. Master Sri Devi was saying that crop circles started getting formed from the year 1970, and Madam has been involved in crop circle research from the year 2011 along with her family and her team of students. Madam Sri Devi is a tuition teacher in Andhra Pradesh, and she has been involving a lot of her students as well in this crop circle research. Crop circles is a phenomenon that gets formed on the vegetation fields, and the crops, without getting destroyed or without getting wasted, the crops just form geometric patterns in the fields where they are planted. And this was a very very mind-blowing phenomenon for all those who came into contact with these crop circles, and they were thinking what is happening, and they started having night vigils to understand the phenomenon of crop circles. And then they realized that there was 24/7 vigils that was happening during morning 2 a.m. to 4 a.m. There was a lot of light and sound that was being heard, and some phenomenon was happening, and crop circles were getting formed within 20 seconds. So crop circles are, as per Madam's explanation, crop circles are just geometric designs, but they possess high healing energies. As people started getting closer to crop circles, they started realizing that the crop circles have healing properties, and people started getting cured from their physical ailments. And on day 2, ma'am was sharing about her experiences and her life journey with crop circles, how these crop circles came into her life, and how the astral masters were connecting to her consciousness and her family's consciousness and her team's consciousness, and how they chose 1,000 crop circles from the internet, and from there how they filtered it to 250, how they meditated sitting on all the crop circles, and the energy was kind of extraordinary for them to manage. And then they started sitting only on one individual crop circle and meditating, and a team of 5 members were formed, and they have been doing close research on it. And ma'am also made her students sit on the crop circles. Ma'am started drawing crop circles. So, and how Mahavatar Babaji, her connection, and the Shambhala masters, where ma'am was able to cross the bridge in her meditative experience, and the opening of a pyramid when Patriji came and asked her about, what is the purpose, and is she having any other good news, which made her realize that there is a life mission, a divine life mission that she needs to carry out. And it has been such an inspiring and also such an extraordinary sharing by Master Sri Devi, her experience about crop circles. And my humble pranams, Madam Sri Devi and Master Kumari, for the beautiful English translation. If not, we will not be receiving this knowledge. With humble pranams to Brahmashri Pitamaha Patriji, the universe, and all the astral masters, hand over the session to Madam Sri Devi and Master Kumari.
Madam.
Kumari ma'am,
Madam.
we are not able to see you, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
మేడం మనం ఒక 10 minutes మెడిటేషన్ చేద్దాం.
Not able to hear you, Kumari ma'am. Still not able to hear you, Master. You are getting unmuted, but your voice is not coming. Now you're muted.
Now can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I remove the external mic. Okay. Yes, let us meditate for just 10 minutes and then Madam will continue with her knowledge sharing.
Close your eyes. మనం ఏ రోజైనా ఏ క్షణమైనా తెలిసి గాని తెలియక గాని ఎవరినైనా ద్వేషించిన తిట్టుకున్న అందరికీ మన ప్రతి కణంతో క్షమాపణ చెప్పుకున్నాము.
Masters, if knowingly or unknowingly we have abused anyone, we have shown anger, we have cursed, or whatever negativity that we have passed on to others, let us ask for forgiveness from them through every cell in our body and our mind and our heart. Any negative thought about them, also we should ask for their forgiveness.
ఏ క్షణమైతే ద్వేషాన్ని కోపాన్ని వదిలిపెట్టాము ఆయా స్థానాల్లో పరిపూర్ణమైన ప్రేమను నింపుకుందాం.
The moment we leave this hatred, anger, in that place let us fill with this divine love energy that is present all around us. We just have to fill it ourselves with it.
విశ్వంలో ఉన్న అనేకమైన ఎనర్జీస్తో మనం కనెక్ట్ అవుతూ క్రాప్ సర్కిల్ ఎనర్జీని అందుకుంటూ యోగులతోటి యోగుల యొక్క జ్ఞానాన్ని పంచుకుంటూ ముందుకు ప్రయాణిద్దాం.
Let us connect with all those energies from the universe, and through them let us receive this energy of the crop circles, and also connect with all the astral masters and the yogis and the rishis that have been with us, are with us, and receive this beautiful, serene energy.
మనమందరం సామూహిక చైతన్యంతో విశ్వ మానవులుగా మారుతున్నాం.
We are transforming into universal being with this collective consciousness that we are taking part in.
ఈ క్షణం నుండి మనందరిలో నేను అనే భావం పోయి ఒక చైతన్య పదార్థం మాత్రమే మిగులుతుంది.
From this moment on, let us get rid of that I or the ego, and let us be consider cells. Only that cosmic energy which we are part of.
మహా అవతార్ బాబాజీ గారి యొక్క చైతన్యంతో, శంబల ఎనర్జీస్తో, యోగులతో, బ్రహ్మర్షి పితామహ బద్రీజీ ఎనర్జీస్తో మనం అనుసంధానం అవుతున్నాం.
Let us all be in tune with Mahavatar Babaji, all the yogis, all the rishis, Pitama Patriji. Let us be in tune with their energies.
ఓకే, నెమ్మదిగా మన సహజ స్థితిలోకి వద్దాము.
Let us all come back to our normal self.
నెమ్మదిగా రెండు చేతులు తీస్తూ కళ్ళ మీద పెట్టుకుంటాం.
Slowly open your palms and put it on your eyes.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. నెమ్మదిగా 2 చేతులు తీస్తూ కళ్ళు తెరవండి. ఓకే మేడం.
Namaste.
నిన్న అడిగిన తపస్వి బుక్ మేడం, ఆథర్ వచ్చేసి లోబ్సాంగ్ రాంపా.
Yesterday, someone was asking about this book, Tapasvi. Madam is showing that book. It's not very clear, but it's a small book. And the author is Loksang Rampa.
లోబ్సాంగ్ రాంపా. ఇదే నేను ఇందులో ఉన్నది ఒక సెంటెన్స్ వచ్చేసి నేను యాజిటీజ్గా నేను చదివి వినిపిస్తాను మీకు.
Madam is going to read one sentence. Okay, నిమిషం madam. Madam is going to read the same sentence that is in the book as it is, and she'll explain after that. వినిపిస్తుందండి?
వాయిస్ లోగా ఉంది మేడం.
ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు కూడా అలాగే ఉందా?
ఓకే ఓకే
ఓకే.
ఉన్నతలోక మాస్టర్స్ అందరూ కూడా ఒక వ్యక్తితో చెప్తున్న విషయం అన్నమాట ఇది.
The astral masters are saying these words to one human being.
నీ ఆలోచనలను మా పరికరాలు మాకు గట్టిగా మాటల రూపంలో వినిపించేలా చేస్తున్నాయి.
Whatever you're talking, those words are being magnified by the systems that we have with us. So your words are being magnified when they reach us.
నీవి సరైన ఆలోచనలు కావు.
Your thoughts are not pure.
మేము తోటమాలులం.
We are gardeners.
ఎండిపోయిన చెట్లను కలుపు మొక్కలను కూడా తీసివేయవలసిన బాధ్యత మా మీద ఉంది.
We as gardeners have to clean the garden by removing the weeds as well as the dead leaves and plants that are there in the garden.
అంతేకాకుండా మంచి మొక్కలు వచ్చినప్పుడు తీసుకుని వెళ్ళి వేరే చోట నాటవలసిన బాధ్యత కూడా మా మీద ఉంది.
In the same way, if good plants come up, we have the responsibility to replant them wherever they are needed.
మంచి చెట్ల గురించి ఆలోచించాల్సిన అవసరం అయితే లేదు.
There is no need to think about good or bad.
ఎందుకంటే ఏకత్వం మాత్రమే ఉంది.
There is no good or bad, it's only oneness.
అయితే నేను ఇది ఎందుకు చదివానంటే నేను ఒక ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ చెప్పాను. ఈ బుక్ చదివిన తర్వాత మీ యొక్క ఆలోచనలతోటి ఈ ఎర్త్నే కాకుండా మా గ్రహాలను కూడా పాడు చేసేంత స్థితికి మీరు ఎదిగిపోయారు అని చెప్పారు. సేమ్ అదే ఆ బుక్ లో ఉండడం జరిగింది.
Yesterday madam said, the astral masters said, because of your thoughts, you're not only polluting yourself, the mother earth, even the other dimension beings and other dimensions too. That is the cause of your thoughts. So the same was reflected in this book.
నిన్న అడిగిన ఇంకొక బుక్ శంబల.
The second book that madam was talking about was Shambhala, which is in Himalayas.
ఈ బుక్ ఆథర్ వచ్చేసి సార్వరి గారు, శ్రీ సార్వరి.
The author of this book is Sri Sarvari.
అయితే టార్కమ్ సరేడారియన్ గారిది కూడా శంబల బుక్ ఉంది.
There is one more book by Tarkam Saradarian on Shambhala.
అయితే ఇది ఒక స్టోరీ లాగా మనం చదవడానికి వీలుగా ఉంది ఈ బుక్. నేను ఆ బుక్ చదవలేదు, టార్కమ్ సరేడారియన్ గారి బుక్ చదవలేదు, నేను ఓన్లీ ఒకటే చదివాను.
Madam only read this book, she did not read the other book by Tarkam Saradarian.
Sorry, excuse me, Sridevi ma'am, we are hearing echo from ma'am actually, Sridevi ma'am. Now Kumari ma'am's audio is quite clear. Do you want to exit the Zoom and come back again, ma'am? Because Sridevi ma'am's voice is having a lot of echo.
మేడం మీ దగ్గర నుంచి బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ నాయిస్ వస్తుందంట. ఒకసారి జూమ్ నుంచి బయటికి వెళ్ళి మరలా వస్తారా?
ఓకే అండి, ఓకే.
అంటే ఒక ఫోన్ రెండు ఫోన్లు ఏమైనా దగ్గర ఉన్నాయా మీకు?
అంతే.
అదేదో అంటే ఎక్కువ వస్తుంది.
ఓకే, ఓకే అండి.
ఒకసారి మీరు జూమ్ నుంచి బయటకు వచ్చి మరలా జాయిన్ అవ్వండి.
Are you also hearing the echo, Kumari ma'am?
Yeah, there is a ruffle noise behind.
Yeah, today's session. Okay,
It's
yeah.
like
But even after
madam
ma'am
left the session even yet.
I'm
There is
hearing the
someone-
same. I'm hearing the same ruffle noise from you also, ma'am. Maybe you also want to leave and just join back.
Sure.
Thank you.
I don't think it's from me, but it's coming from somewhere. Is there any other program running or a fan running? Someone's fan is running?
But all are muted. Let me just check.
No, I can't hear. Now it started again. Is your fan making noise?
I just switched on anyway. I switched off.
Okay, but still it's coming.
Yeah, let's just hope it gets better. Yesterday we didn't have any problem, but today there seems to be an
Today,
extra noise.
yeah, it was there when you were playing the video
Oh, I was.
before the session.
Not too sure why today, ma'am.
Yeah, because you can't hear it. We can hear it.
But now I'm also
I don't
hearing
know.
it.
So if you can hear it, it's not coming from you. It's coming from somewhere else.
I can hear it as well.
మేడం,
Yes, Sridevi ma'am is loud and clear now.
ఇప్పుడు బాగుందండి.
ఓకే అండి, ఓకే.
కానీ నాయిస్ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ నాయిస్ అయితే వస్తుంది. కానీ
నాకు మీ వాయిస్ వచ్చినప్పుడు కూడా వస్తుందండి.
అవును, యా.
కొంచెం డిస్టర్బెన్స్ అయితే ఉంది.
యా ఇవాళ ఉంది.
This meeting is being recorded.
Ma'am, you just go on. I will log off from this device and log in again. You just continue. Thank you so much.
ఓకే.
మీరు కంటిన్యూ చేయండి మేడం.
ఓకే అండి. అయితే మనము నిన్నటి వరకు ఏం చెప్పుకున్నామంటే క్రాప్ సర్కిల్స్ ఎలాగా భూమి మీద ఫామ్ అయినాయి, ఎందుకు చాలా బ్రీఫ్ గానే చెప్పుకున్నాం. కంప్లీట్ నాలెడ్జ్ అయితే మనం షేర్ చేసుకోలేదు, చాలా బ్రీఫ్ గానే చెప్పుకున్నాము.
Yesterday and day before yesterday we just shared our knowledge about how the crop circles were formed on the earth and madam's research experiences on these crop circles.